In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Zelle on Wells Fargo bank account. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So to use your Zelle with your Wells Fargo bank account, you can do so through the Wells Fargo mobile app or online banking. So first, using the Wells Fargo mobile app, so open the app on your device and log into your account. So look for the option to use Zelle within the app. So this might be located in the send money or transfer section. Now select the person you want to send money to, so you can choose from your contacts or enter their email address or US mobile number. Now input the amount you want to send and simply double check the details of the transaction and confirm to send the money. Now using the Wells Fargo online banking. So go to the Wells Fargo website and log into your online banking account. Now find the option for Zelle transfers within the online banking platform. So this may be located in the payments or transfers section. Now choose the recipient from your contacts or enter their email address or US mobile number. Now input the amount you wish to send and double check the transaction details and confirm to send the money. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.